Hi guys, here at Claypole Level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. So might as well just keep the crossing down because it takes a lot. It takes away all the life of the barriers. It just went up and went straight back down again as soon as I pressed the stop button. Right, back on track. The time is 13:48 on Friday the 31st of October 2014, and this is for our 1 Delta 14 1347 East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. Expect past 48. So I need to refresh the page again. $49 now. It already is 49. So she should pop up that from that corner any second. From this way, actually. Here she is. We've got a 43 coming. $43,299. $43,257. Oster's gone up. Up they go. Thank you guys. I shall see you in the next video.